All right, everyone. Welcome to the channel. My name is Ari Shah, and today we're just going to be reviewing the entire market. I'm going to go down quickly, and you guys feel free to comment, click that bell button to receive this time-sensitive information, and say which coin you believe is the best coin. And feel free to say if I'm wrong on anything, but we're going to go over the top 100 coins really quick. Bitcoin is a storage of value. Bitcoin is viewed like digital gold. It is 1/10 the evaluation of gold. It is right above $1 trillion market cap. Ethereum is like oil of this crypto space. Everything is built on the Ethereum network, dApps, decentralized finance, NFTs that have come to fruition. That being said, it's a first layer protocol, similar to other first layer protocols. Many are trying to take over, such as Binance. People talk about it being the Ethereum killer. When we talk about XRP, we talk about the SEC and how it had a huge bump in its favor recently with the US. Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, formerly a co-founder of Ethereum, who created Cardano in the last bull and bear market, is a first layer protocol that wants to be 100% decentralized, and the staking and the community behind Cardano is huge, but they're like the nightclub that's not open yet. There's a lot of hype. We're just waiting for them to open up. Polkadot, Dr. Gavin Wood, another ex co-founder of Ethereum. He was the CTO. He was the one who created Solidity. He created the underlying programming language of Ethereum. He disagreed with ETH 2.0's roadmap, and he created Polkadot to fix those problems. They've been released since August 2020, and they have bumped into the top 10. Expect Polkadot to prepare for a breakout with the parachain auctions. I believe Polkadot is going to have a very big month. And how can we forget about Dogecoin, the dog meme coin that has been around? The CEO has left his own company, and people talk about Doge. It is a inflationary coin, and it can go up because of retail investors. We made this channel because we truly believe this is a capitalistic revolutionary war, and Dogecoin is the prime example. And I see with Dogecoin pumping this much, over 300% in the last 7 days, I believe Dogecoin is signaling us that we are going into the super cycle alt season. Litecoin has had a huge bump up all the way from 200 to 320, up 44% in the last 7 days. It is an accelerator to Bitcoin. Bitcoin Cash is also same situation, and they both have PayPal Merchant Pay. So Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash have had a huge come up, and they have pushed out Uniswap and Chainlink out of the top 10. How long that will be for, who knows? We will see what happens with Uniswap v3. Feel free to check out my video on v3. Chainlink, they provide information. They are interoperable. Chainlink is a very strong project, also part of the Grayscale Trust. If you haven't seen my video on Chainlink, definitely check it out. VeChain is a supply chain. They have a lot of power in China, as well as they work with BMW and a lot of different enterprises. People love to see a top 20 coin that costs less than $1, only 23 cents. That's why people love VeChain. And they also have their other coin called VThor, which is the energy. So definitely check it out. And if you want a video on comparison of VeChain versus VThor, which one is better investment, let me know. Stellar, good hedge against XRP. It has been around since the last bear run and bull run. Theta, so strong. Godzilla showed up to the court, live video streaming. The co-founder of YouTube is on that team, and we said Theta would be a top 10 coin I think a month and a half ago when it was around the 50. So definitely check out our video on Theta. Theta was a top 10 coin. It just got pushed out. We're entering a super cycle bull run. So a lot of past all-time highs will be new all-time highs for them coming this year. For example, Litecoin is coming close to its old all-time high. For coins like Theta, it's all for the first time. This is all new price discovery. Filecoin, it's a part of the Grayscale Trust. Be careful with this coin. I believe it can have huge pump and dumps, but when it's part of Grayscale Trust, a lot of people believe it should be long-term. Tron, man, I'm salty about Tron. It's bias framework. I bought it and sold it back in the day, and they've had a huge come up recently. Justin Sun, the protege of Jack Ma, that was the reason I invested in, because I invest in people and systems, but I invested more in the people originally, and my mistake, I didn't have diamond hands, and I dropped it a little bit too soon, but I don't regret that. I put in another investment that did pretty good for me. Bitcoin SV, EOS is reaching its old all-time highs. This is what people have been holding EOS For Solana has had a strong narrative as a first layer protocol. It used to be head and head with Avalanche, so I expect Avalanche to catch up. Clayton is this first layer protocol. Search Kakao and search South Korea, and Clayton is one of those coins that has just come into the top 20, top 30 out of nowhere, and people don't even know what it is. But if you'd like a video on Clayton and if you should invest in it, let me know in the comments below. IOTA and NEO both reaching their old all-time highs. Crypto.com, you can get the debit cards here, and it is super, super, super advantageous to buy Crypto.com while it's low, because you have to own a certain amount of CRO to qualify for these cards. Bittorrent BTT, also owned by Justin Sun, the CEO of Tron. Most people don't know that, but if you knew that, maybe you would have bet that BTT was going to go into the top 30 just by sometimes it's not about what you do, it's about who you know. Cosmos, a very strong first layer protocol as well. I love Atom, ATOM, and they're up 21.5%. Terra was a very strong pick last month. Let's see if Terra can have a rally, but as you can see, no price action for Terra, actually moving from 15 all the way to 31st. Tezos, Aave, super low circulating supply at a bump from 300 to 500, and ever since it's been fluctuating in between, but up 21 cents, 21% for the week. Ethereum Classic, same thing with Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash Accelerator, that has gone up 100%. People hold Ethereum Classic for the pumps and then they sell them. FTX, it's a good exchange. You can buy ETH Bull, BTC Bull, or XRP Bull. If you don't know what those are, feel free to ask in the comments below, but pretty much you can earn more with what you have. It's kind of like leverage trading, but better. A lot of people made a lot of money during XRP Bull this last few weeks. So if you think Ethereum is going to go up and it's not going to go down, well, then you might as well buy ETH Bull. But if you don't want to look at it and you don't want to get out at the right times, you don't like trading or being accountable for your money, maybe don't do that. Just buy ETH and be a long-term holder. Avalanche, we just mentioned that. First layer protocol, doing great. Ava Labs, Algorand, great rewards on a lot of the exchanges. Kusama is set to break out just like Polkadot with the parachain auctions. Don't be surprised if Kusama breaks out first, which honestly, in the last month, it did. It had way more price action than Polkadot, but Polkadot is doing its thing, and Polkadot is a long-term hold 100%. Elron, we've made a video on Elron. Definitely check it out if you haven't. We bought up Elron at $100 February 23rd when Bitcoin crashed to like $43,000. It was like a mini correction, but now we're back above the 60,000. Hallelujah. But Elron is amazing because it is a first layer protocol, except it has the scarcity of Bitcoin and superior utility to Ethereum as a first layer protocol, superior to all the first layer protocols, in my opinion, just as a tech standpoint, faster, better sharding, so forth and so on. I believe they're trying to be the next Bitcoin, if not even more than that, because Elrond is not playing games. They changed their ticker because they're not playing games. After Elrond, we have PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap has gone up exponentially. It was sitting at just $10 a week and a half ago, and now PancakeSwap is all the way up to $23. If you haven't seen our video on how to purchase with PancakeSwap, we purchased SafeMoon with PancakeSwap, and if you've been watching our channel, we have gone exponential gains with SafeMoon. Definitely check out our video on SafeMoon and how to purchase it through PancakeSwap, all through your iPhone. Full tutorial within the channel. Chili's, they have the NFT platform and the partnership with AC Milan. They are doing great things. If you're associated with sports like NBA Top Shot and Flow, that's always strong. When you have official IP, that's always strong. That's why Economy is strong. They have a very strong IP. Synthetics Network Token, we're talking about synthetic assets such as S Tesla, S Apple, not being constrained by organizations such as Robinhood. When the GameStop thing happened, retail investors lost their power to buy. That's not what happens in crypto land. We talk about Uniswap, we talk about PancakeSwap. That's why we made this channel. Maker, super low circulating supply. Zcash, a part of the Grayscale Trust. Engine Coin, it's part of the gaming industry, and they have Age of Rust, and they have bounties where you can win Bitcoin. I believe Engine will be a top 50 coin once again, potentially top 25. Hedera Hashgraph, Zilliqa, very strong. Celsius Network, BlockFi, Nexos. These are all places where you can hold your stable coin or other type of coins and earn interest. And for people who were part of 2017, if we knew that Bitcoin was going to go to 20,000 and crash to 3,000, we would have moved all our money into stablecoin, put it within Celsius, BlockFi, or Nexos, gained interest on our money, and then bought back the dip when Bitcoin hit 3,000, and then ride the bull run all the way up. But hindsight is 2020, right? And these options weren't really there back in 2017. So for those of you that are thinking about a strategy, definitely look into those three. Seer coin has been around since the last bull run, and you can see it's up 60%. A lot of these coins are hitting their old all-time highs. A lot of coins just came to the market and are in new price discovery, you know? So the graph, they are the Google of the crypto space. Stacks has gone up a lot in this month, cracking the top 100. Sushi is a fork of Uniswap, great team, got listed onto Coinbase. Basic attention token is what we're using right now, which is the Brave browser. Polygon is rebranded to Polygon, still goes by Matic. It's a second layer protocol solution for Ethereum gas fees. We just talked about Nexo, Near Protocol, part of the Polkadot ecosystem. Decentraland is digital land, very hot, a part of the Grayscale Trust. Urine Finance is strong, but too high of a price for the average retail investor. UMA really reached this peak 2 months ago when it hit 40, and it's just been kind of declining, but we're in a bull run, so everything's green. Let's see what happens. They also do synthetic assets, but it looks like in the DeFi space, synthetics will outperform UMA. Comment below if you think otherwise. Icon, we've had it since the last bull run, bear run. Phantom is gradually going up this week, 20%. We have not made a video on Phantom, but we've been talking about Phantom, and of course Phantom would lap Harmony as it should, because Phantom was ahead beforehand. I believe these two will be neck and neck, kind of like how Avalanche and Solana are neck and neck and are always near each other's market caps. Ikami are the NFTs. We talked about Vivi. We were one of the first ones to talk about Ikami. We impulse bought all their NFTs, and we have done great on that. We have Batman, we have Cartoon Network, we have Powerpuff Girls, we have everything from those, and now you can't even buy it. It's just like NBA Top Shot. They just sell out too quickly. You have to buy it on the open marketplace. Definitely download the app. Vivi, Horizon, the fork of Zcash. Nano up, it was up over 100% earlier today, and if you're looking to take some profits from Nano, it is definitely an option. Anchor is potentially a top 50 coin and has done really well in the last month. Flow, Dapper Labs owns them, and Wink, Dent, and Helium have all had really strong months up to this point. So guys, that's the top 100. Let me know how you like these videos. Let me know if you like them longer. Let me know if you like them shorter. Is going through the top 100 too much? Should I be going through more low caps? What do you guys want to learn about? Obviously, you're not going to 1000x on any of these coins in a month or two in the top 100. There are coins like SafeMoon that maybe you could go up, but we're talking about higher risk, higher reward coins when we venture outside the top 100, then outside the top 500, top 1000. But you guys, let me know. This channel is for you guys. I want to provide as much value as possible. But as always, guys, thank you for spending your time with me. Nothing's more valuable than your time, except your money. So I'll see you next time with some more gems.
You and I, we never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I, both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet. Hold me now.